Welcome to Starlings at the Dairy Farm. So once again at one of my favorite dairies where the starlings every winter like to go and stay in this barn. I've been coming here for quite a while, and unfortunately the ladies get to deal with the brunt of having all those birds in there. Not only is it all over their top of their hide, but they're also in their feed. So he likes it when I come over and try to reduce the numbers so that there's a whole lot less chance of disease and everything else spreading. So once again, I'll be using my favorite setup for shooting indoors, which is my FX Streamline Light bottle version in 177. I will be shooting JSB 10.3 grains at 690 feet per second. And it's topped off with a PARD NV008. So once again, we begin. And the beginning is really good.
Double kill. Double kill. Triple kill. Double kill.
So man, that was a lot of double kills right in a row. Got a triple kill in there as well. So they lined up, which is really good. So we got another one coming up here. That'd be these guys.
Double kill.
I love it when they all line up like that. There is Batman, letting us know that he is still on the case. Or in this case, leaving the joint. So right now I'm standing on the outside of the barn. I have not set foot in it. I'm doing all this from the outside doors. Just simply set up, and I'm either shooting off of my sticks or look at that shot. I mean, I cannot believe that just went above them, but that stupid cable's in the way, so I can't get them. So move on. We'll try to find something else. This guy's a good shot. There we go. But I'm on the outside, just looking in, just lining up and trying to find these guys and going from truss to truss, seeing who's got the most birds, most action. Decided to use the 10.3s, get a little heavier, see how they work. They seem to shoot pretty good out of this gun. I have it set up for 30 yards, so I'm probably good out to 40 yards, no problems. But there are just so many birds here. Unbelievable, so many birds.
Double kill.
Another double kill. Yeah, the nice thing is that turning off the lights really makes them stay. This particular farmer's got another farm that he just purchased about a year ago. And it has like 7 barns. And there's like starlings in 4 of the barns. And he hasn't shown me how to turn off the lights yet. So I went there a couple weeks ago. And they were in there. But the problem is I only get like about 10 of them before they all fly to the other side of the barn. So that makes it pretty frustrating and not very efficient. Whereas being able to turn off the lights really, really allows you to clean up a lot of birds quickly. Sitting on the wire. Which one do I get? Which one? I'll go with you, buddy. And he's a hanger. Next one. When they start getting wise, here comes a
Double kill.
Yep, a double kill. Get this guy. This guy stays around too long. Now I'm shooting between the fans that they have hanging that they cool the cows down in the summer with. Missed the cable, hit the bird. That's a good thing. It was a good shot. Take him out. That's one of the new lights. You saw how bright it was in there. Last thing I want to do is hurt one of them things, so move on, buddy. Thought that was a double kill, but the other one looked like he flew away rather than just kind of bounced away. So, another nice setup. Get this guy. Sitting all alone, looks so pretty. Take him out. It's so funny. Some of the times when they jump and everything, this guy rolls over. Ew. Ew. Trying to get a better angle, get a better position for these guys. So go ahead and get this guy. The other one's sitting there going, I wonder if he sees me. Yes, I do. Go ahead and set up on this guy. Get him. The other two book. They've had enough. That guy. This guy's... I'm out of here. I'm out of here. See, this guy's going to jump up there with his friends. He's not so lucky. Go ahead and nail this guy. Take the guy on the left first. See if the other one will sit. He does. Go ahead and get him then. Try to make my way left to right to see if they'll stick and not fly off so fast. Trying to get a double on that one, didn't work. No, they start to fly, so it's all right. I got a bunch of them, so that cable's in the way. Go ahead and take this guy. This guy. Yeah. Boing. That little jump they do. Go ahead and take this guy out. And you think I missed him. I didn't. Oh, he was a little sneaky guy. Originally, I thought I might have missed that guy, but then he fell. Resettable targets. This is the ultimate resettable target. Shoot one, another one comes down. And this is a pigeon. Just see his head. I go, I'll take this one. Normally I don't. Now, keep note of that guy. He's on top of that box. And I'm like, I'll get this guy first because these guys might run first. So let's see what happens. Go ahead and get him. This guy wants to beat his buddies. He can't. Go ahead and look at this guy. He's getting picked on. Take care of him. Take care of the one in the back. I think I'm going to get a double because there was one behind this guy. But he's still there. And he takes off. This guy's like, oh my gosh, I'm out of here. What the heck's happening to these people? So he's hanging there. He actually looks like he's trying to lift himself back up. And I'm just like, all right, well, most people that watch my videos also like to see the hangers. So I'm like, all right, we'll see about hanging. I'm like, this is too long. I can't wait this long. All right, you might as well just take this guy out. So that's what I do. And guess who's still sitting on that box? What a dumb bird. All your friends just got done going down to the ground and you just sit there. Yeah, well, you joined them. Go ahead and line up with this guy. Take him. Hey, what happened to Joe? Where'd Joe go? I'm going down there with you, buddy. Sam. Too late. Should I stay here? Probably not. Oh, ninja birds. Oh, they're so aggravating. That's why sometimes you got to go really fast because they go so fast, but it'd be a lot worse if there was light in there. So at the end of the day, I still was able to take a lot of shots. I didn't take my scuba tank to refill, so I only had my 480cc bottle that's on the Dreamline itself, and that gave me 260 shots. So that's not too bad. 260. The bad part was I was done in less than I would say less than an hour, because I think it was like 55 minutes, and I was through all those shots, and I'm like, shoot, I gotta go home now. So next time for sure, I am taking my scuba tank. Just one at a time. Unfortunately, that guy left. These are good shots. This one I thought was a double. Wasn't sure. Couldn't really tell. I'm thinking it was, but that's all right. Line up on this guy. Take this guy out. Who's going to be next? I think I missed everybody. Well, got that guy, though. And got that guy. So that's it for this one. That's what 260 shots in a barn look like. So I got to clean it all up, get it all nice and neat, throw it in with the ladies. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.